I want everybody, and I want to hear you, give a warm Door County welcome to the first time Green Bay Packers. I can't hear you!
Those cheers rang out from Sunset Park as the Packers concluded their week-long tailgate tour with one final stop in Sturgeon Bay to support Door County Habitat for Humanity. A large pavilion set up at the park was brimming with Packer fans trying to get a little closer to their heroes and supporting the local organization that gives a hand up to partnering families in need of affordable housing. Door County Habitat for Humanity Board President Mike Stefani says the event was unlike anything the nonprofit had ever seen.
This is bar none the most spectacular event that we've ever had for fundraising. This Packers coming here really is an outstanding opportunity for our organization.
The entire cost of a ticket went back to Habitat for Humanity and granted Packer enthusiasts access to a question and answer session with current and former Packer players, as well as a tailgate cookout, silent auction, live music, and even a petting zoo for the little ones. Stefani says the meaning of a visit of this caliber cannot be measured in the organization.
It means a lot. For one, it means that they think that this is an outstanding organization to be a part of. It also means a lot to the community. It also means a lot for our volunteers to be able to meet the Packers and really build with the Packers.
And that opportunity for Habitat volunteers was extremely well received. Jordy Nelson cemented boards to the Homes Foundation. Marco Rivera helped assemble a set of stairs. Charlie Pepra showed his finesse with a sledgehammer. And the morale of the volunteers working on the site could be seen skyrocketing to the level of a Packer win in the playoffs. Kathy Farrell is the project site manager on the Habitat build and has been on many previous Door County Habitat builds as well. She says seeing the Green Bay Packers up close and personal, putting their time and sweat into the project was a treat.
That's a real surprise. We've had the Coast Guard come and help us, and we've had different people like that, but the Packers? Whoa!
For more on the Packers visit, including video interviews and a photo gallery, find this story on DoorCountyDailyNews.com.